How to send files to multiple recipients with Wetransfer. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to send files to multiple recipients with Wetransfer. First of all, log in into your Wetransfer account, and when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface something like this. Now you can send files up to 3 persons per transfer using the free service without signing up. And likewise, when you create a Wetransfer account, the max is 10 recipients per transfer, and you can even go one step further and sign up for Wetransfer paid plan, where you can send files up to 50 recipients per email transfer. So first thing, you need to go ahead and select the file that you wish to send. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one, and after that you can go ahead and tap the share all button located right at the bottom, and once again wait for the application, and then here you can go ahead and select the particular user to whom you wish to. And when you select the recipient, you can just go ahead and select or copy the link and send it to up to different recipient as well. So that's how you can send files to multiple recipients with WeChat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.